All right, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got this wheelbarrow that we broke one of the arms off of last year sometime. It's just been kind of sitting idle, so I'm going to bring it in, tear it apart, see if I can make a couple new handles for it, put them back in place. Check the price of them online. They're kind of ridiculous for what they are, and I think I've got material around that I can make something with. Got a couple 2x4s that I've cut down before, so I think I can try to make something out of these. So yeah, I think that's what we'll do today, so let's jump into her. All right, so we got the wheelbarrow all put back together and stuff like that. I just used some pressure treated spruce that I had laying around. It is about 6 inches shorter on the handle than it was, but we'll try that as a sampler, and if it does work, then I've got some good oak boards and stuff like that that I could use. But as a sampler, she's up and running, she's back in service.